right, our lesson today is 3A. We're going to talk about equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios. So our things, it's kind of like equivalent fractions if you've heard of that before. So let's say you were going to go buy 10 bananas, and these 10 bananas cost you $2. And the next day you decided you needed 30 bananas. I don't know why you need 30 bananas, but you just do. And the cashier says it's going to be $6. You want to know, is the price the same? Am I getting the same value? So let's figure out what each unit rate would be. And if we can figure out each unit rate, and if the unit rates are the same, then yay, they're equivalent. Do I want bananas per dollar or dollars per banana? Let's go at money. Always just, it goes first. So we want to know price per banana. And so we're going to do price goes on top, banana goes on bottom. Price goes on top, banana goes on bottom, but that's a 30. Okay, so I divide, I put a 2, I put a 6. Can 10 go into 2? No, it cannot, so I add a decimal and a 0. That would be a 2. In money, and it's going to be 0. In money, 0.2 is 20 cents. So this guy is 20 cents a banana. Let's go over here to this one. 30 can't go into 6, so I add a decimal and a 0. 30 goes into 60 twice. There's no remainder. I got the same thing. I got 20 cents per banana. So you would say the answer would be yes, they are equivalent ratios. All right, let's say we went and got our 10 bananas for $2, but the next day we walked in and we got 20 bananas for $5. Is that equivalent? Well, let's figure out our price per banana. So price is 2, banana is 10. Price is 5, banana is 20. Let's see. Bring in the 2 in the house, bring the 5 in the house. I already know this. This was 20 cents. Let's go over here. 20 can't go into 5, so it can go into 50 twice. There's a remainder, so I add another 0. 20 goes into 100 5 times. So this per is 20 cents per banana. This per is 25 cents per banana. Are they equivalent? No, they aren't. So your answer is a no. I'll let you in on a little secret. That's not the only way you could figure this question out. What if I took my 2/10 and I simplified it to 1/5? What if I took my 5/20 and I simplified it? Is it 1/5? No, it's 1/4. If you get simplified and you get different answers, they're not equivalent. So you can do this. You can figure out the unit rate. You could think of it like this. You could think of simplifying the fractions. You could also think, if I have 2 over 10, what should I have over 20? Because that's a times by 2, times by 2. I should have 4. Do I have 4? No. There's tons of ways of getting your yes or your no. And on your homework, if you want to work it out different ways, that is a-okay with me, but you need to show me what you're doing, not just write yes and no. All right, let's try these questions. Marcia made 10 bracelets for 5 friends, but Jen made 12 bracelets for 6 friends. Are these rates equivalent? Explain. Okay, so it's up to you. You have options on how you want to think of this. Push pause, give me a yes or a no, but be sure to explain. All right, I get a big old fat no. No, no, no. Marcia made 10 bracelets for 5 friends. I did a fraction like this, bracelets per friend. Jen made 12 bracelets for 4 friends. When you divide, that's 3. So Marcia is giving 2 bracelets per friend, and Jen is making 3 bracelets per friend. I want to be friends with Jen and get 3 bracelets, so no, they are not equivalent. All right, try question B. See what you get there, yes or no, but you have to explain, you have to do some work, but your work can be different than my work. All right, I got yes. I figured out by dividing, I did price per car, price per car. 42 goes on the outside, 168. I divided and I got 4. 38 on the outside, 152 on the inside. I got 4. So they are both raising or both getting $4 for every car that they're washing. So, yes, they are equivalent, even though this one made more money than this one. He washed more cars. So, but it's $4 per car. Yes, it's equivalent. All right, let's try these two questions. 5, determine if their ratios are equivalent. 5 packs of baseball cards for 15 or 10 packs of baseball cards for 30. Push pause, work it out. See if your answer matches mine. I got a yes. I divided and I got $3 per card for both of them. All right, let's look at this one. 12 girls out of 16 students or 4 girls out of 8 students. Is that equivalent? Push pause and work it out. I said no. And this time, instead of dividing, I noticed that 8 was the denominator and 16 was the denominator. So I thought, well, if I make 8 and 16 right here, that's a times 2 pattern. This should be a times 2. But look, I get an 8 as a numerator, not 12. So the numerators don't match when the denominators match. So the answer is no, 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 no. I could have also simplified it. 4/8 is the same as a half. 12/16. Let's see, if I divide by 4, I get 3/4. When I simplify, they don't equal each other. So there's another reason why it's no. I could have divided 12 divided by 16 and 4 divided by 8. And again, it would have proven no, 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 no. All right, here are your Google Classroom questions. You only have 2 questions. We have George and we have Frank. And George is doing some sit-ups. He's doing this many sit-ups and it's taken him this long. Frank is doing sit-ups and he can do this many sit-ups, but it takes him a little bit longer. Are they equivalent, yes or no? So in answer 1, type in yes or type in no. And for part 2, say why. Good luck. Bye.